In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Binance Launchpad. If you're interested in participating in token sales on Binance and want to understand how the Launchpad feature operates, you're in the right place. Let's start by getting you familiar with the Binance app. First, open the app on your device and log in with your credentials. Make sure your account is secure and that you're using a trusted device. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to navigate to the main menu. Tap on More to bring up a list of additional features. You'll need to scroll down until you find the Launchpad option, which is located under the Common Functions section. The Launchpad is where you'll find all the information about current and upcoming token sales that Binance is offering. Now that you're on the Launchpad page, take your time to browse through the available or upcoming token sales. This is where you can explore exciting new projects. Each token sale entry will contain essential information, so be sure to review them thoroughly. When you find a project that piques your interest, tap on it for more details. This page will provide you with an overview of the project, its timeline, and, importantly, the participation rules. These rules are crucial as they'll guide you on how to participate in the token sale successfully. The next step involves ensuring that you hold or commit the required amount of BNB, that's Binance's native cryptocurrency, during the subscription period. It's essential to understand this commitment because it's needed to participate in the sale. Ensure that you have enough BNB in your account during this period, as it's a critical requirement for getting involved. Once the allocation is finalized, tokens will be distributed right to your spot wallet. This wallet is where you manage your cryptocurrencies for trading, withdrawing, or holding. You'll find your newly acquired tokens here once the process is complete. Finally, to check the results of your participation or review past activities, you can go back to the Launchpad feature and access the Launchpad history. This history provides a record of your engagement with token sales, ensuring that you can track your investments and their outcomes. That's it. With these steps, you now know how to navigate and utilize Binance Launchpad effectively. Participating in token sales can be a thrilling opportunity, and doing so on a platform like Binance offers a structured and secure environment. Remember always to do your due diligence on projects and keep your account information secure. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.